Hello everyone, today's topic is cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called as plasma membrane, plasma lemma, biological membrane. It is a protective sheath covering the cell body. It separates ECF and ICF. It is a semi-permeable membrane through which the exchange of some substances takes place between ECF and ICF. The thickness of the cell membrane ranges from 15 to 11. Organization of the cell membrane. Three types of elements are found in the structure of cell membrane: lipid, protein, carbohydrate. Definition of cell membrane. The cell membrane, also known as plasma membrane, is a thin semi-permeable barrier that surrounds the cytoplasm of a cell, separating its internal content from the external environment. Discovery. Robert Hooke coined the term cell in 1665. In 1855, Carl Nageli and Karl Kramer coined the term plasma membrane. Robert Hooke coined the term cell and Nageli Kramer plasma membrane. They conducted experiments showing that when plant cells are placed in concentrated solution, the internal contents shrank away from the cell wall, providing a distinct elastic inner lining was present. Chemical composition of cell membrane. Chemical composition. The cell membrane is primarily described by the fluid mosaic model, which highlights that it is flexible, dynamic structure composed of three main biomolecules. और थ्री बायोमोलिक्यूल्स में आते हैं phospholipid bilayer, protein and carbohydrate, and also cholesterol is present. Phospholipid bilayer is 40%, protein is 50%, carbohydrate is 1 to 10%. So first of all, phospholipid bilayer. The structural foundation, it consists of two layers of phospholipid. Each phospholipid has a hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Hydrophilic is water loving, head facing outward, and a second is protein. Protein is 50%, embedded within or attached to the bilayer. Integral protein is spam across the membrane to transport molecules, while peripheral proteins sit on the surfaces to assist with signaling and structure. Proteins are of two types: intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic present in internal and extrinsic is present in peripheral. Two types of protein in plasma membrane are found. Carbohydrate attached to protein, also called glycoprotein, और लिपिड से अटैच होंगे तो ग्लाइकोलिपिड on the outer surface, acting molecular identification tags for cell or recognition of foreign or cell body cell. फिर आता है कोलेस्ट्रॉल. Cholesterol tucked between the phospholipid to regulate fluidity and stability of the membrane across changing temperature. It comes under in lipids. Fluid mosaic model. Fluid mosaic model proposed by S.J. Singer and Garth L. Nicholson in 1972. Describes the plasma membrane as a dynamic flexible structure. It is a fluid lipid bilayer embedded with a mosaic of proteins, cholesterol and carbohydrates that regulate what enters and exits the cell. Functions of plasma membrane. Functions of plasma membrane में आता है selectively permeable and transport, passive transport, active transport, vesicular transport, और protective function, receptive and signaling function. मेनली मेंटेनेंस ऑफ शेप एंड साइज। तो पहला है सेलेक्टिव परमिएबिलिटी एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट। द सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज सेलेक्टिवली परमिएबल, मीनिंग इट एक्ट्स एज ए gatekeeper that carefully regulates the entry and exit of substances. It permits passage of specific nutrients, ions, and waste material through distinct mechanisms. Passive transport, movement of substances along a concentration gradient without the expenditure of energy, like simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, osmosis. Then move to active transport. Active transport, movement of substances against a concentration gradient which requires cellular energy in the form of ATP, like primary active, such as primary active transport, like the sodium potassium pump. Vesicular transport, bulk transport mechanism including endocytosis, macromolecule entering the cell via phagocytosis or phagocytosis or exocytosis. Protective function. The primary function of the cell membrane is protective. It forms a outermost dynamic boundary that encloses the cytoplasm and cell organelle, protecting the internal cellular environment from the chemical or physical injuries inflicted by the extracellular environment. Maintenance of the shape and size. By providing a structural framework and anchoring the internal cytoskeleton, the membrane helps the cell maintain its characteristics, shape, volume, and integrity. Receptive and signaling function. The plasma membrane contains specialized receptors protein that bind to extracellular messenger molecules such as hormones, neurotransmitter, and enzymes. When a ligand binds to these receptors, it triggers a cascade of intracellular secondary messenger. And the structure of cell membrane. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज बाइलेयर, और बाइलेयर में आते हैं इसमें पेरिफेरल प्रोटीन, इंटीग्रल प्रोटीन, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन और हाइड्रोफिलिक हेड, जिसे पोलर हेड भी कहते हैं, और हाइड्रोफोबिक टेल, जिसे नॉन पोलर टेल कहते हैं। तो ये था स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन, फंक्शन ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन एंड इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन। तो डायग्राम ये देख लेना। ओके।